build this life. You too can live like this, driving around the deserts of Dubai, vacationing at the most luxurious mansions, and enjoying the world's most pristine beaches. Most people spend their entire lives working for money, but the wealthy know the secret. It's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep, and how smartly you make it work for you. Building wealth isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter. It's about leveraging your income, reinvesting your profits, and making strategic choices to multiply your money. One of the most powerful ways to grow your wealth is through the concept of compound interest. Simply put, it's the idea of earning interest on your interest. When you invest, you're not just earning returns on your original investment, but on everything your investment generates over time. This is why time is your greatest asset. The earlier you start investing, the more you benefit from compound growth. Even small contributions made consistently can lead to enormous wealth in the long run. But here's where most people go wrong. They keep their money sitting idle in savings accounts or low-interest investments, thinking they're safe. But inflation erodes that money every single year, which means you're actually losing purchasing power over time. Instead, you need to focus on building a diversified investment portfolio that grows over time. Stocks, real estate, businesses, and other high-return opportunities are where the real wealth is built. But you don't need to start big to get started. Small, consistent investments can add up quickly. Think of it like planting seeds. At first, you may only see a small sprout, but with time, the right care, and the right strategy, those seeds turn into something much bigger. The next step is mastering leverage. It's not about taking on risky debt, it's about using other people's money or leveraging assets to build even greater returns. In real estate, for example, you can use leverage to control a much larger property than you could afford to buy outright. By borrowing money to finance your purchase, you're able to earn income and appreciation on the entire value of the property, while only putting up a fraction of the money yourself. But leverage can also apply to business. You can use other people's capital to scale your company or invest in opportunities that you couldn't afford without external funding. When used wisely, leverage accelerates your wealth building, but remember, it needs to be managed carefully. If you take on too much debt or overextend yourself, it can work against you. But when done right, it's one of the most powerful tools at your disposal. One more thing that wealthy understand that most don't. Cash flow? Simply put, cash flow is the money that comes in and out of your life on a regular basis. If you want to build real wealth, you need to generate positive cash flow from assets, whether that's rental properties, businesses, or investments that pay dividends or interest. The key is to focus on building streams of income that are consistent, reliable, and scalable. The more you can build automated recurring revenue, the faster you can build true financial freedom. And never forget, your mindset plays a huge role in this journey. The wealthy don't just think about money differently, they act on it differently. They invest in their knowledge, they seek out opportunities that others miss, and they make decisions based on long-term goals rather than short-term gratification. If you take the right actions today, and if you start investing in smart strategies, you can begin building the life you've always dreamed of. Whether it's a luxurious mansion by the beach, exotic vacations, or simply enjoying financial freedom without the stress of paycheck to paycheck living, it's all possible. The wealth you dream about isn't out of reach. It's within your grasp, just waiting for you to take the first step. Start investing in yourself. Start building your portfolio, and start shifting from working for money to making money work for you.